and today I'm going to talk about Megger's other multifunction tester, the MET1000. Most electricians have heard of Megger and probably immediately think of Megger's MFT range. MFT of course stands for multifunction tester, but there is another Megger multifunction tester in the range that electricians may not be so aware of, and that is the Megger MET1000. So let's have a look at some of the key features. The MET1000 is a general purpose electrical tester. That means it can be used in all types of installations, from domestic through commercial to industrial. It comes with a category 4 600 volt safety rating. In simple terms, this means it can be connected safely to the incoming supply, whether single phase or three phase. It benefits from an IP65 environmental class. Again, in simple terms, this means it can be used in areas where splashing water or dust is present. That also means it's safe to use outside. With an easy-to-use probe mounting on the rear of the tester and screw-on GS38 shroud supplied as standard, it is simple and safe to use in any location. The MET1000 has auto power on. So when testing for voltage, the unit will automatically turn on as soon as contact is made. There is also a self-test built in for the LCD and LED displays. It has single pole voltage indication. This is very important when testing on an incoming supply. For example, if the external neutral on a single phase TNCS supply should be broken and all incoming services are in plastic, it is possible that the line could be the only incoming live conductor. With single pole operation, it will still indicate that potential is present. The MET1000 gives voltage indication with dead or no batteries. Again, very important in case your batteries run out at the wrong time. You can still confirm if equipment is live. It complies to IEC/EN 61243-3. Yet another load of numbers spouted out by a manufacturer, I hear you say. But in simple terms, what this actually means is it can be used as a two-pole tester as part of safe isolation. This again saves carrying additional equipment and truly adds to the multifunction label. Now let's see what other features it has. The MET1000 has true RMS AC measurements on voltage and current. With auto selection on AC and DC voltage measurement up to 1000 volt, the MET1000 is ideal for domestic, commercial and industrial installations and many more besides. The MET1000 features an open jaw AC clamp, giving current measurement up to 200 amps. Again, no changing over of testers. If you want to follow on from taking voltage readings, just simply select the current display, slip the open jaw over the cable to be measured and take a reading. The open jaw meaning you need far less space around the cable to get the clamp into. There is also resistance measurement up to 50 kiloohms. You have two options here. If just checking continuity, a simple LED indicator and buzzer can be selected, or if readings are required, simply select the ohm/kiloohm setting and the actual resistance will then be displayed on the LCD's display. On top of those features, it also has a phase sequence indicator, a simple two-wire connection to show right or left, or correct or incorrect sequence. It has an extra low voltage ELV indicator. This gives an instant indication of whether it's above or below 12 volts AC. Other features on the MET1000 include a hold function. This gives the ability to hold a reading on the display for when you're in an awkward position and need to move to see the display. LCD screen backlight. For when you're working in dark places, the LCD screen is backlit to make reading the display easier. LED torch. Bright, front-facing LED torch in the jaws of the clamp to light up the area where you're doing the testing. Screw-on, interchangeable GS38 and Euro 4mm tips. These enable safe and stable connections on any connection or terminals, including the 4mm terminals on sockets and lighting adapters. The Met1000 comes with removable leads. This means that if you are unfortunate enough to damage any leads, you only have to replace the leads, not the whole tester. The leads are also interchangeable. Because the tester has normal 4mm socket connections, if you have a specific lead to connect to a specific piece of equipment, you can connect that direct to the tester. So if, for example, you wanted to carry out voltage readings at various socket outlets, you could connect the Megger SIA10 lead direct to the Met1000 and plug it into the socket as normal. The Met1000 also comes complete with a useful belt pouch. Last but not least, the pouch gives easy access to the tester at all times and means it's not tied up in knots in your normal toolbox. It's fitted to your belt using a strong Velcro strap, and the tester sits in a holster with a Velcro strap to keep the lead safe.